Hey, what's up guys, my name is Kashito, welcome back to the unboxing with Kashito. I don't know if it might be a box, it's not a box, but it's a plastic bag. So which means unplastic with Kashito. Oh my god. So today I'm going to show you, I know it's not boxing, but it's yeah. Oh, hold on for a sec. Alright, sorry about that. Marv called me something and jigs, for frick's sake. Later, okay, later. Later. Hold on for a second. Fix this, here we go. Okay, you have to wait. So this is going to unbox even though it's plastic, so I'm going to call it the unplastic Kashito. Yeah. So I'm going to show you right now. Chicks. You have to be move out. Okay, that's it. So I'm going to give it a try for this one. Yeah, it's USB hub. And I bought it in 450. I'm not sure if it might be worth it or not. But hopefully it will be worth, otherwise refund. If it's no refund, then I'm going to kill you and get my money back. For the sake. Alright, so this is what it looks like. First, let's smell it. Smells brand new. This is a taste test, so cheers. Alright, so hopefully it might be work, so I'm going to give it a try with my laptop. If it doesn't work, then F you. Screw you. I wish you would. Joking, of course. So I'm going to take it off all the USBs. Hopefully it might be work. Alright, let's get this over with. Oh, it looks good. Does it work? Oh, it does work. Okay, so there is a switch. When it comes to pressing the switch, see, it will be light. This, like that. Oh, so cool! Okay, I'm going to get it back now. Alright, so I'm going to give it a test. First things first, I'm going to use this one. Let's see, it might be work. Alright, let's press. Does it work? Alright, let's see. Alright, it worked. So second for the mouse. Second. This is the problem when it comes to wiring. It's messy. No. Now my mouse is working. So now let's go for a third one, which is the keyboard. So yeah, I have a problems about my laptop keyboard. It doesn't work for my space, letter B, N, the dots, comma, and what is it called? I forgot. Oh yeah, that's pretty much it. A slash. So now I finally have this. So I could possibly going to use it with my keyboard. Yay! So it worked. All of them have worked. I'm happy for doing this. Yeah, right now. Because I could possibly going to use my keyboard for all with my mouse and also my hard drive. It will also work on my hard drive. No, what I mean, my ring light and also my charger for connecting my phone for USB mass storage. Yeah, so it's good now. Alright, I really like it. Nice. I love it. I think that's pretty much it. I'm going to give this a 10 out of 10 because it has a lot, like, how many are those? 7 slots. Wow. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I am enjoying for this one. So I'm glad that I bought that one, So please make sure to give this video a big fat thumbs up and subscribe. And I say to you all, and sayonara, arigato. Yeah, I can possibly going to play the game properly.